Hell man, look what the fuck going on. We got that extended clip on gang. Fuck wrong with y'all, man. Get right, get right. Now, because if you don't get right, you don't get the extended clip of your ass, man. Fuck wrong with you, man. Bang, bang.